Brochure downloads are the #1 lead conversion type across all of RealStack. That is why we've created the auto-generated brochure feature. We wanted to generate a PDF brochure for every single listing we have in our system automatically. For our clients, activating this feature will increase your lead quantities, help you grow your email marketing list, and ultimately sell more listings. In this video, we will show you how you can take advantage of this feature. To turn on this feature, first, you want to set up your logo on your RealStack account. Start by clicking your name in the top right corner of the screen, and then from the drop-down menu, click Brokerage. Please note that you will need to be a brokerage admin to complete these steps. From the brokerage screen, scroll down until you see the logo section. There is already a logo added to this demo brokerage. You can upload your logo to this section through a simple drag and drop process and click the Save button, or you can click into the gray box to pull up a File Explorer. Next, you'll want to click your name in the top right corner, and then in the drop-down menu, click Brochures. In the Brochures section, you'll see Auto-Generated Brochures, where you will turn on your auto-generated brochures by clicking the switcher to On. Now, whether you manually enter your listings or import your listings from a third party, a brochure will automatically generate when a listing is created. RealStack also allows you to customize your primary, secondary, and footer background colors, which you will see once we generate the brochure. We display 4 maps within the brochures. The locator map are basically a street map. The aerial maps are as you would expect, in the satellite view of those maps. You'll also be able to customize the zoom level defaults so that you can have a zoomed out view for proximity to the region. You can also have a zoomed in view for more street definition, allowing you to see more specific points of interest on the map. The last feature of RealStack's auto-generated brochures is the disclaimer information. The brochures come with pre-filled disclaimer information for you, but feel free to use it as is or change it as you see fit. Once you've finished customizing your settings, click Save to update. Now, let's preview a brochure for one of your listings. On the left navigation, click Listings, and underneath Listings, click View Listings. Select the listing that you'd like to see an auto-generator brochure for. Then, click the action icon to the right. Click Edit. Scroll down to the brochure section of the listing page. If there is already a brochure for your chosen listing, click Remove the file. Once the file is removed, you will receive a pop-up message saying, "Congratulations, you've removed your old brochure." Just click OK on the pop-up window and then scroll down and click Save. After clicking Save, you'll see the file processing to build the brochure for your listing. Once RealStack has generated the PDF, it will appear as a link next to the brochure label. Click on the link to begin downloading the brochure as a file in your browser. After the file has downloaded, simply click on the file in your browser to view the nicely crafted brochure. Another feature we've added to our brochures is the notes section. Oftentimes, before showing, prospective buyers want to print the brochure off to take it with them. We've added a notes section, making it easier for your prospective buyers to take notes during the showing. If you ever find yourself wanting to use a custom brochure for a listing, just return to your updated listings page and scroll down to the brochure section and click the Remove File button. Next, simply drag and drop your custom brochure in the brochure box. Lastly, scroll down and click Save to finish uploading your brochure. If you have any questions about our auto-generated brochures, please visit help.realstack.com.